Alright, so next up, I picked up the Quinn 3/8 digital torque wrench. I've been wanting this for a while, and there's finally a coupon that you can get 10% off anything in the store, so I just use it on this. I really didn't want to pay full price, but it saved me, what is it? It was $159.99 normally. It brought it down to $143.99, so what was that, like 15-16 bucks, so why not? But let me open this up and check it out. Weird wrappings for sure. Oh, that's nice. Comes with the batteries. And it's not like the cheap Harbor Freight ones. There's a 72 tooth. Mechanism feels pretty good. Does come with a nice case as well. And the clips are plastic, but pretty nice. Let me throw the batteries in here. Alright, so I got the batteries installed. It's fairly simple. Just a little twist to lock on this end. And there is the certification. So let's see if this thing powers on. So the range is 5 foot-pounds to 100 max. It does do angle torque as well, so that's nice. So yeah, this is it's gonna be handy once I get into some, I guess, bigger projects. Just nice to have. Maybe eventually I'll get the 250 foot-pound half-inch, but we'll see. So next up, I picked up the Maddox 2-piece Strut spring compressor. I got it for 29 bucks. I used the 10% off coupon. That's it's limited time, but takes anything off in the store, so I figured I'd just pick this up. And seems like a decent little case. I mean, it is plastic, but not too bad. It's a very simple tool, you know, but you know, those spring jobs can be pretty dangerous. Seems like decent quality. But yeah, not too bad. It's always nice to have. Alright, so next up from Harbor Freight, I picked up the Central Machinery 12-ton shop press. I've been holding out on this. I've been wanting to pick it up for a while, just haven't had a reason. And I'll be doing some bearing works on some hubs soon, so this gave me a reason to pick it up. And plus, there's a coupon for 10% off anything in the store, so might as well use it on this. It's normally, I think, 140, and I got it for 126. So not a bad price, and definitely handy to have, So I'm gonna get into this and put it together, and I guess I'll get back to you. So I got it on the box. I just wanted to quickly show you what came in it. So this is a 12-ton bottle jack. Got the springs, some pins, all the hardware, and there's the handle for the bottle jack. Those are the legs. But yeah, it doesn't seem too much, I guess. Let me get to assembling and show you what I come up with. Alright, so I got it all assembled. Definitely wasn't too bad. Probably took me, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. Hardest part is probably getting those bolts on and holding it up, but fairly easy. With a couple 17 mil wrenches, 19s. Use the impact. Nice and quick, and it works decent. It definitely feels sturdy for my use. I think it'll do just fine. Doesn't seem too cheap. So yeah, this comes with some decent arbor plates as well. So yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna like this thing. Nice addition.